We have when you said sell in May and walk away. Are you expecting one blow off top by then and a bear market or a double bubble?
I would expect a double bubble on the alts, man. I think they'll come back. But then again, they could just, they could just keep going up, right? Because of the Fed. The Fed might negate that sell in May and walk away thing. So keep that in mind. That's why I'm not interested in selling out and walking away in May. Not interested because I just don't know, right? And with the Fed going, okay, printing's okay. It's not doing anything wrong. It's working. There is no inflation. You can see how it might not occur, right? There may not be a May dump, but I can't say that for sure, right? And when alt season finishes, it finishes quick and it goes down really quick. And so you better be ready to have some dry powder to pick up some alts on the cheap should that happen, right? You just don't know. All right, next question.
Next question. Okay, this one is from Konstantinos Compolitis and says, Hey Da Vinci, will you build a stable derivative and tell us to buy it in order to protect us from the bear market which is coming? Man, stop asking the poor man to keep building stuff.
Yeah, I know. But the thing is, I do want to build that because that's something I'd prefer to hold, and maybe even put it into silver derivative. Because the problem is that silver it will only go up when the and go up heavily when the fraud is exposed. It's not gonna, and beyond that, it's just gonna languish, right? Silver. And so if we build a silver derivative and hold that, we're just gonna watch it just languish even more, right? Silver's too important of a commodity for the governments of the world not to suppress and keep down. If they don't, the whole financial system will unravel. So that's why they'll keep it there until the whole financial system does unravel. So then there's no point, right? And so yeah, that's the problem, right? With doing silver, whilst gold, right? They have it extremely well managed, but it does move up slowly and will continue to creep up with inflation. So that's why I want to hold on to gold. Use gold as a derivative, not silver. And most central banks own gold, so yeah, they do want to have that advantage creep up. The gold that they hold creep up slowly and keep an offset the dollars on their balance sheet. All right, next question. Let's see what time do we have, right? Because I don't want to run
It's
too.
8 and 35 minutes.
All right, all right. So let's do three more questions and we'll call it a day.
Excellent. So Beast543 asks, the overwhelming part of my portfolio is Bitcoin, and I have done it very well. Sorry, and I have done very well. So, sorry, sir. Should I transition more into Ethereum now, knowing that Bitcoin dominance will fall significantly?
You should have done that before, but yeah, it's fine. The better late. You're not absolutely too late to the party. It's just, that's what I'm doing. That's what my majority is now. Majority of my holdings is in Ethereum, right? So, and Bitcoin because there is massive upside coming potential with Ethereum, massive, absolutely colossal, right? Another 5x priced in Bitcoin from here, right? So yeah. That's a good idea to do so. That's what I'm doing. I don't know about you. All right, next question.
Next question says Rui Teixeira says, hello Da Vinci. Question. I'm a little torn regarding taking profits on alts now or wait for the second wave when everything goes ballistic. What do you suggest?
Well, I suggest you do the little lady approach, right? It's a proven, solid way of taking profits and out of the market. If you can find another method that you know where the top is, I suggest you use that. But if you don't, the little lady method, which I show you guys, if you head over to www.davincicodes.net/videos, is the way to go. If you ask me, I don't see any other way of trading this. And the only time I'm going to probably look at exiting the market entirely in alts is near the final blow off top after Bitcoin starts to dump from its blow off top. So I'm looking for the altcoin blow off top, and then I mean, we'll see it. We'll see it. It'll be like 30-40%, below 30%, what's it called? Market cap. I mean, yeah. The Bitcoin dominance will be below 30%, and yeah, it's going to be rising so fast. I mean, falling so fast that you're like, okay, how far is this going to go, right? How much more can this possibly go? So yeah, and then of course there will be lots of other signs that help you indicate that hey, the market has been overextended for too long and things are about to revert back to normal. So that's what I'm doing. What you do is up to you, right? If you've done the research and you found a way to sell the top, more power to you, man. You're going to be very, very wealthy, right? You need to share that information with the rest of us.